Good morning. I'd like to share with you a few thoughts on what I call the Seminole Caper. Let's start by taking a look at this chart that I've put together to help explain a little bit of my thinking. You'll notice I've got grade levels set up along the left-hand side, and then at the top I've got three columns, and these three columns represent the years for the test administration times that I need to share this issue with you. So in the first column, you'll see that the tests were given in the fall 2011, 2012, and 2013. And it's important to remember for this concept that the fall test measures content from the prior school year. The fall 2012 test measures content from the prior school year. The fall 2013 test measures content from the prior school year. Everybody knows that, but it's just a reminder for this particular concept. Now, at the beginning of the 2013-2014 school year, our district moved grades 4, 5, 6, and 7 from Seminole over to the middle school. Okay, another piece to this concept. The district moved students in grades 4 through 7 over to the middle school. Remember, the students took the test in fall 2013 at the middle school, even though they took the curriculum or learned the curriculum at Seminole the year before. We're now going into the 2014-2015 school year. Now, in August of 2014, the MDE will announce that Seminole is a priority school. This usually happens a couple of weeks before the year starts, just in time to have a nice scramble before enrollment begins. So far, students are moved at the beginning of the school year, as a reminder. They took the test in the fall. Coming in August will be the announcement that labels the school a priority school. Again, they took the test here. In the fall, coming up this school year, which begins here, there will be an announcement that Seminole is a priority school. Now, in figuring out who goes on the priority list, the MDE uses the past 2 years of data that represents the prior 2 years of learning from when the test was taken. The MEEP test was given in the fall of 2013, and it measures curriculum from the prior school year. The MDE uses 2 years of data. And again, all of the announcement whether or not a school is on the priority list will come from these 2 years of data. But the students who were in grades 4 through 7 are now at the middle school and will continue to be at the beginning of the upcoming school year. With the priority school designation, Seminole is addressing only one small group of students. And did I mention that the test is going to be given in the spring of 2015 and not the fall of 2014 this school year? And that's a good thing, by the way. So our school, who's going to be labeled a priority school, is based on data over here and formulas that, quite frankly, are hard to determine. It doesn't take a rocket scientist or a statistician to figure out that this is problematic for Seminole. Just look at the visual. There's a huge gap between the data points and the students who will be served. Why would Seminole have to rehire at least 50% of its teachers based on this? Now, that's if that is the model that is chosen for Seminole. There are 3 other intervention models that could be chosen, but that's one. Does it matter that the blueprints for reading and on the reading test for fall 2013 didn't ask questions that were both Common Core and GLIC as promised by the MDE? Checking the blueprints, that's one of the things that we had been told is that on any of the tests until the new assessments are in place, that the MEP tests would cover content that is common to both the Common Core standards and the grade level content expectations. But that didn't happen in totality for the third grade reading test. So we have a little issue here. We have a school that's getting ready to be a priority school, and the only students and teachers it has are the third grade. All the other teachers and kids are over at the middle school, which is not designated a priority school. So, what do I suggest we do about this? Don't assign Seminole a priority school label. If the data truly show the dismal results that the MDE believes, then give the district a letter that provides impetus for things with the students in the middle school, because that's where the issue really is.